Stream's coming in.
With the Untamed science of entertainment.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed science. Go adventuring.
Oh, stream's coming in. And
Hey, I'm Natalie. Where do new plants come from?
all right, everyone to stations. Danny, what do you have?
Okay, new plants are the offspring of parent plants, and these offspring can be formed two ways: sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction.
Yeah, and during sexual reproduction in plants, the male organ produces sperm and the female organ produces eggs. Fertilization occurs when the sperm and egg combine to produce offspring. Sexual reproduction results in offspring that look similar to the parents. In asexual reproduction, certain plants can make spores, buds, or runners to produce more new plants that are identical to the parent.
See what Hazen's up to. Oh, hey, you guys, look at this Asiatic lily. Right there in the center, you can see that is the pistil, or the female organ that produces the egg cells. Surrounding it, those are the stamen. On top of the stamen are the anthers, which make tiny grains of pollen, and those contain the sperm cells. Sometimes bees, bats, or birds contribute to the transfer of the pollen when they come to harvest the plant's nectar. Bees then carry the pollen from one plant to another. The pollen sticks to the pistil and the sperm cells fertilize the eggs. The fertilized eggs grow into seeds. Eventually, the seeds will drop back to the soil and some will germinate and grow into a brand new, beautiful flower. If that doesn't work, this is one of the types of plants that can asexually reproduce from a bulb buried below the soil. Splitting apart the bulb and replanting the two sections can result in two plants from one. See you all at the clubhouse. Thanks, Hazen. Danny, you ready?
Ready, Rob. Did you know that some plants can grow new plants simply by cutting off a part of the original plant? It's a form of asexual reproduction, and it's fun to try yourself. Okay, we'll start with these begonias. First, cut the right stem of the mother plant just below one of the nodes. Make sure you cut at an angle. Using a pencil, make a hole in the soil for the stem. After stripping some of the leaves, we'll plant the stem in this moist mixture of sand and peat. Make sure at least half of the stem is buried. After replanting, make sure to pack the soil around the stem, water it every day, and put it in a shady spot. And in 6 to 8 weeks, I'll have a brand new begonia plant with new roots to replant in my garden. I wonder if there's another way we can explain this.
Cycle where they grow and change and reproduce.
All life on this planet has come from at least one parent, and many like me and you have two. When eggs and sperm are involved, two parents are the key for reproduction to occur sexually. But as you study buds or spores, then you might see that reproduction can occur asexually. Well,
all living things have a life cycle where they grow and change and reproduce.
all life on this planet has come from at least one parent, and many like me and you have two.
Okay, new plant offspring are formed when sperm produced by the male organ combine with the eggs made by the female organ during sexual reproduction.
And asexual reproduction is when only a single parent plant produces offspring by making buds, spores, or runners.
So hey, never stop exploring your world.